Look, Tammy, as far as your love life goes, normally I couldn't care less who's laying your quivering body down by the fire while your lips whisper, no, 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 but your eyes scream, yes, yes, oh, Big Daddy, yes. But when you're dating Jordan Sissy Poo, it forces me to spend time with you outside of the hospital, and I just won't have that, so here's the deal. Don't want to have dinner with you, don't want to go bowling with you, and I never, ever again want to walk into my kitchen and hear you say, hey, it's waffle time, won't you have some waffles of mine? Bottom line, we'll be bestest friends for Everests if you just keep your face out of my face.
Go time. Here we go. Smash ball play with Kendra Dander. Alright. Make sure you're on, Kendra Dander. Yep. Alright. This is fun. Oh boy. So big damage. Oh man. Wow. That went into like a million little pieces right there. Look at that. Honest. Oh man, I didn't even realize that. Wow, it's like Kendra Dander's severed face. Here's another part of his head over here. And the rest of his body is. You know, that's funny. Both times his body stayed intact. And, like, his arms, like, got severed. Well, at least one of his arms did. Both of his feet did this.
That was Smash a Bottlehead on 107.7 WFCS.
You think you know me?
Oh, you missed! I did not. You got like half of it. Come on. Come here.
Oh, there it was.
It's like payback right there. That hit me. It's okay. Let it out.
That's what's up. That's how we roll on Waffle Time. 107.7 WFCS. All right.